today's the day. We're gonna try our South Korean snacks. So if you remember, I have a PR that is from Hapoon, and it was a box full of South Korean goodies, all their snacks and goodies. And today we're gonna try a few of them today. And if you haven't checked out that video, I'll put that in the comments as well. They're mint candies. All different ones. So on the front, all the ones, oops, yeah. These are all the flavors. So like this one's the strawberry. Oh, there's a cola one. I'm curious. Oh my, can you see that? This is cute. And then the green grape. Or that's crazy. And mind, this is mint candy, so they're all different versions like mint. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try that I just showed. So now we're gonna try pineapple. I kept the pineapple. It's crazy because it's mint candy, but it's a very light mint, like very light. I honestly knew from the get-go I was gonna like these mint candies, but so far I like this too. Now let's try the cola one. Good. Tastes just like cola. The grape. Tastes just like green grapes. Blueberry. They're not too hard candy like that because I just choked through it, but like they are a little hard candy, but not like crazy. Watermelon. They're like a watermelon gum. Like a, I don't remember, but it tastes like that. They're all really good. I have no complaint. I really like all of them. Very lemony. But good. On this one, I'm curious. This tastes like a it looked like butter bean to me. A little Sprite one. Sprite, mint candy corn. It tastes just like the like. That's crazy. It really tastes exactly what it is, but it's just light enough mint. You know what I mean? Just a touch, just a light touch of mint. Alright, nothing crazy. It all tastes really good. Like really good. I like this. Like it might kind of be my new favorite candy. Next, we're gonna try these. I'm assuming it's candy too. Like little sticks. I'm slow. It is like a pixie stick. I've been saying that this whole time. Basically, it's the same idea. And then last but not least, we have this one. Like a little gummy. Like a very good gummy. It's a lemony, like a lemon gummy. This is all from Harpoon. It's so good. I love it. So, thank you so much, Harpoon, for sending me some good goodies. I can't wait to try the rest that I have. I have plenty of more in that box that I still have to try. But thank you so much, Harpoon. I look forward for some more goodies. You guys need to check them out. And thank you guys for checking out this video, and have a great day.